Hi guys, Derek here, and this is my 1956 Cadillac Eldorado Seville. It's an emerald green Cadillac with a black vicodec top, which was only specially made for the Eldorado Sevilles and Eldorado Baritzas. It has the gold package with the gold emblems, gold radiator grille, and the Gold Sabre wheels. Also has the gold trim on the side. Inside the car, it has the green broadcloth with the green leather interior. It's a fully loaded car. Up over there by the headliner, the visors are special visors for Eldorados. It's a clear translucent plastic, and it also has the three-way mirror only used on Eldorados. On the floors, you can see the floor mats are actually rubber floor mats with chrome. It has power windows, power brakes, power steering. The interior is also all original. It has the sweep line design. Also the Eldorado fins, which were only put on the Eldorado series for 1956. The back of the car has all original trunk lining. It has a Keasley Hayes Sabre wheel back here with the jack set, as well as the shop manual and the owner's manual, also original to the car. And those 4 exhaust ports. And these twin tail lights, which was also special for 1956. I'm going to go start it up. Underneath the hood, it's a V8 engine with 2 4-barrel Carter carburetors. Behind that is a 3-speed hydromatic transmission. And look at that huge gold bat wing. They call that a bat wing with oil bath air cleaner. The car doesn't have air conditioning. Thank you for watching.